So this is for Bhua, the doyen of Kabir, who gave voice to Kabir like nobody else could. जब वो गाती थी कबीर, ये लगता था कि कबीर दास ने उन्हीं के लिए अपने दोहे लिखे हैं. उनकी आवाज कबीर दास के दोहों में मिल जाती थी और कबीर दास के दोहे उनकी आवाज बन जाते थे. And that was the beauty of Bhua singing Kabir. So I remember her on her special day with this offering of Kabir dohas that I will also translate as I go along for friends and relatives that don't understand that Boli, that language. But hope you enjoy it. Please, मेरी गुस्ताखी माफ मुझे करिएगा जो मेरी mistakes हैं. Forgive me my mistakes in singing Kabir. I cannot even think of reaching the scales that Bhua reached in her rendering of Kabir songs through words and voice and in notes and sound. But I love them because she taught me to understand Kabir, which is a way of living and loving and caring and being that is unlike any other. He is one of the greatest saints of our time because he thought bigger than himself, bigger than his world, bigger than the universe. And in his universality of thought and thinking, he created magic in words. And Bhua sang it more beautifully than anybody. So today I remember her as I remember Kabir, and I hope you all will join me in just a few moments of remembering her, but also remembering the goodness she brought voice to. Kabir. Sahib mera ek hai, साहिब मेरा एक है, दूजा कहाँ न जाए. दूजा साहिब जो कहूँ, साहिब खड़ा रचाए. साहिब मेरा एक है, साहिब मेरा एक है, दूजा कहाँ न जाए. दूजा साहिब जो कहूँ, साहिब खड़ा रचाए. साहिब मेरा एक है, साहिब मेरा एक है. My master is one, only one, the one. My master is one without there being any second. When I see multiplicity, when I see many masters, when I see many possibilities or other distractions, I understand that Sahib Khada Rachai, it is also my own master's play, at play. कि that is also my master's play. वो भी उनका रचा हुआ एक गेम है. माली आवत देख के कलिया करे पुकार, फूल फूल चुन लिए काल हमारी बात. साहिब मेरा एक है. So माली आवत देख के कलियां करे पुकार. They're seeing the master gardener at play. The buds start whispering to one another. फूल फूल चुन लिए काल हमारी बार. The fully blossomed flowers are being plucked away. Our appointed day of being plucked away is also coming close. Kaal hamari baar. Tomorrow will be our day to be plucked. चाह गई चिंता मिटी मनवा बेपरवाह, जिनको कछु न चाहिए वो ही शाहंशाह. If cravings are dissolved, worries go and the mind becomes free. Chah gayi chinta miti manwa beparwa. If you get rid of your cravings, the mind is set free, the mind becomes free. जिनको कछु ना चाहिए वो ही शहंशाह. He who wants nothing badly, he who isn't attached to the material, he is the king of all kings. जिनको कछु ना चाहिए वो ही शहंशाह. हेत प्रीत सो जो मिले ताको मिलिए धाय, अंतर राखे जो मिले तासे मिले बलाए. हेत प्रीत सु जो मिले ताको मिलिए धाय. You hasten to meet the ones you meet, who meet you with love. Those who meet you with a pure heart have indeed found a friend for a lifetime. अंतर राखे जो मिले, those that you meet with a pure heart inside, तासे मिले बलाए. That friend is unmatched. That is the friend you have to go searching for. कबीरा ते नर अंध है, गुरु को कहते और हर रूठे गुरु छोड़ है, गुरु रूठे नहीं छोड़. कबीरा ते नर अंध है. Kabir says, blind are they who realize not the value of the master, of the one. Kabira tenar andh hai, guru ko kehte ho, he who says the other to the Lord, to the one. Har roothe guru chhod hai. One may seek the shelter of God after displeasing God. Har roothe guru chhod hai. Guru roothe nahi chhod. But there is no refuge after when you leave the one. करता था तू क्यों रहा, अब काहे पछताए, बोवे पेड़ बबूल का आम कहाँ से आए. He says, heedless, I committed innumerable wrongs. करता था तू क्या रहा, अब काहे पछताए. Then now you suffer because you did heedless things. You committed all these innumerable wrongs. You are now paying a price. You are now suffering. बोवे पेड़ बबूल का, you're nurturing the thistles of a barren tree. बोवे पेड़ बबूल का आम कहाँ से होए. How will you find a mango blossom, a mango fruit? When you're nurturing the thistles of a barren tree, don't expect yourself finding a mango fruit. सब धरती कागज करूं, लेखन सब बन जाए, सात समुंदर की मस करूं, गुरु गुण लिखा न जाए. सब धरती कागज करूं, लेखन सब बन राय. If the entire earth is a tablet to write upon, all the forest must be its pen. सात समंद की मस करूं, all the waters of the seven seas are its ink. गुरु गुण लिखा न जाए. Even then the praises of the Lord cannot be written and finished. They are unlimited. Guru gun likha na. You can't write enough of praise in the name of the Lord. अब गुरु दिल में देखया, गावन को कछु नाही, कबीरा जब तुम गावते तब जन गुरु नाही. तो अब गुरु दिल में देखया. Now you recognize the Lord within your heart. गावन को कछु नाही. There is nothing left to be told or sung. Kabira jab tum gavate. Kabir says, whenever you try to utter the mysteries, the knowledge of your master, the master vanishes. मैं लागा उस एक से, एक भया सब माही, सब मेरा मैं सबन का, तिहा दूसरा नाही. मैं लागा उस एक से, एक भया सब माही, सब मेरे में सबन का, सब मेरे में सबन का, तिहा दूसरा नाही. I am attached with that one. मैं लगा उस एक से. I am attached to that one. The one who is with all. एक भया सब माही. The one who is in all of us. सब मेरे, मैं सबन का. When everyone is mine, I belong to everyone. तिहा दूसरा नाही. It is there that ends all of duality. That is when we recognize the oneness of being, the oneness of the Supreme, the oneness of purpose, the oneness of pleasure, the oneness of protection, the oneness of caring, the oneness of empathy, the oneness of suffering. Because when one suffers, we all suffer. When one is in harm's way, we are all in harm's way. that oneness. मैं लगा उस एक से, एक भया सब माही. When I'm able to see that one in me, all become one with me. सब मेरे में, सब मैं, सब अनका. They are all in me and I am in all of them. तीहा दूसरा नहीं. There is no other than. Beautiful. जा मरने से जग डरे, मेरे मन आनंद. कब मरहूं कब पाहूं पूरन परमानंद. तो जा मरने से जग डरे, मेरे मन आनंद. The world trembles at the thought of death, but for me it is a matter of joy. मेरे मन आनंद. कब मरहूं कब पाहूं. When shall I die? When shall I find that perfect joy? That to me is Purana Paramanand, is the vision of the beloved, is the sight of the Almighty, the sight of the One. That for me, that is what I'm aiming for, not life and death. I want to be with the Paramanand. सब बन तो चंदन नहीं, शूर की दल नाही. सब समुंदर मोती नहीं, साधु जग माही. सब मन बन तो चंदन नहीं. Not all the forests are of sandalwood. शूर के दल नहीं. Nor all teams are full of valiant warriors. Not all armies are full of valiant warriors. सब समुद्र मोती नहीं. Not all seas and oceans are filled with the pearls. Nahi you sadhu jag mahi. Likewise, all Gnostics are not truly of God. Not all saints belong to God. They are not all one with God. And that is the truly rare of rare all saints. जब हम जग में पग धरो, सब हंसे हम रोए. कबीरा बैसी कर चलो, पाछे हंसी ना होए. जब हम जग में पग धरो. When you come into this mortal world, everyone around you is happy to see you, and you are the only one crying. When you put your feet into this world, when you come out from the womb and into this planet, all are rejoicing, you come crying. Kabira ab aisi kar chalo. Kabir, now be in this world such that no one laughs when you have left it behind. But you yourself depart, the world should be not laughing at you, but should be crying that you have gone. That's the kind of life you must lead. Lead a life of good example, of good actions, of good sharing, of good thoughts and deeds, so that when you leave, the world cries and you go smiling. अगुण किए तो बहु किए, करत न मानी हार. भावे बंदा बख्शे, भावे गर्दन मार. Agun kiye to bahu kiye. Tirelessly so many misdeeds have been done, have been committed by you. Karat namani har. And you never give up in doing wrongs. Bhavan banda bakshe, bhavan gardan mar. Now that I've realized who you are, O Lord, I do as you please. I am a servant of you, my master. साधु भूखा भाव का, धन का भूखा नाही. धन का भूखा जो फिरे, वो तो साधु नाही. साधु भूखा भाव का, धन का भूखा नाही. Having no appetite for material wealth, true saints are only hungry for love of the Lord. So they are not hungry for the material, but a true sadhu, a true saint, a true mendicant, a true person of religious thought is not hungry for the material, but hungry only for the love with the Lord. Dhan ka bhuka jo fire, those who are thirsty for material wealth cannot be called a sadhu. They are not people of religion, of the Lord, of oneness with God. साहिब सुन सब होत है, बंदे ते कछु नाही. राई ते पर्वत करे, पर्वत राई माही. Listen, O friend, this world has nothing for you. Vanity of vanities is all it has. Sahib sun sab hot hai, bande te kachu nahi. Humans have nothing, only vanity and vain. राई ते पर्वत करे, पर्वत राई nahi. There a very narrow passage to salvation, smaller than even the mustard seed. It's not as large as a mountain or the hills that you look at and say, wow, so grand. But true salvation is a passage even smaller than the size of a tiny rai kadana mustard seed. जू तिल माही तेल है, जू चकमक में आग, तेरा साई तुझ में है, जाग सके तो जाग. जू तिल में तेल है, जू चकमक में आग. Oil is found inside the sesame seed and inside the flintstone is fire. जो चकमक में आग, तेरा साई तुझ में है. Your Lord is within you. Awaken. तेरा साई तुझ में है, जाग सके तो आज. I dare you to grow up, to live, to awaken to the senses that तेरा साई तुझ में है, that your Lord is within you. Now awaken to that realization. These are words of Kabir. साहिब मेरा एक है, दूजा कहा न जाए. साहिब मेरा एक है, साहिब मेरा एक है, दूजा कहा न जाए. दूजा साहिब जो कहूँ, साहिब खड़ा रचाए. साहिब मेरा एक है, साहिब मेरा एक है, साहिब मेरा एक. So this was for Bhua. साहिब मेरा एक है, दूजा कहा न जाए. It's an offering of Kabir for this woman who lived a beautiful life in supplication to Kabir with those grandiose thoughts. She lived, she loved, she cared for, and she shared with this elan and this style that was very Kabiresque and with devotion to his thoughts. And she taught me about Kabir. Bhua, thinking of you today and always with great love.